Hello there, tele with the multi-empo report. Yo hablo en español en este momento. Pero después I'm going to speak in English. Yes. Entonces hay dos cosas sobre que hablamos. No sé. Aquí esta tormenta es un no tormenta, es una depresión tropical ahora. Esta ubicación y advertencia es de ayer. Este aviso está hoy. Aviso de azul de tifón según el China. CMA, sí. Y tenemos una mapa de lluvia, probabilidades de lluvia aquí. Esta depresión tropical está localizando por aquí, por acá, no sé. Y no por acá. Sí, esta zona aquí tiene una probabilidad baja de convertirse en un ciclón tropical durante los próximos 24 horas. Sí, las próximas horas, sí. Y no tiene ninguna idea de qué esta perturbación tropical es. Sí. Es una zona de probabilidad de baja, sí. Y esta depresión tropical aquí está disipando. I don't know. Yes, so that was one way to segue completely off of that. So yes, this is the advisory and the location and such that are on this are from yesterday, because that was the last time that the JTWC issued an advisory on this, but the China Meteorological Agency in their blue warning of typhoon actually has the current location on that, and the rain probability still for that. It has debilitated. No, wait. The English word is weakened. It has weakened from a tropical storm, what it was yesterday, into a tropical depression, which is, of course, unsurprising, because things over land tend to not stick around very long because the conditions are not favorable, because there's no water. Yes, it's quite true. And what I was trying to get across, I'm not sure why the zone of probability is over here, but the satellite disturbance is supposedly over here. Not sure what that's about, but I guess it's kind of, if you look at this, I always get confused as to which one. I get my east and west mixed up. I'm east-west dyslexic, word like that. So one of these must be the satellite disturbance, and the other one is the zone or something, or it's one general thing. Who knows? And of course, the satellite overlay is not precise anyhow. So yeah. And then, of course, we'll talk briefly about the Atlantic, where there were some probabilities yesterday. I believe both of them were 10%, and now, today, nothing. So, at least not in the next day or two, apparently going to see anything around these parts. But yes, this thing could turn into something, so we'll pay attention to it, as we always do. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise today, not a hell lot of a chance, just a 5, and a 2. There's one mesoscale discussion in effect at the time I loaded the page, but says watch unlikely on that one for this area of Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. Just a 20% chance that they'll turn that into something. But isolated severe storms possible through the evening. So pay attention to that, of course, if you're out there. And the warnings that were in effect as of the time I loaded the page, all flash flood-related warnings. No severe thunderstorm warnings, nor tornado warnings. In general today, this is the map showing the probability of severe winds, which would be winds 58 miles per hour or greater. This is the map showing the probability of severe hail 1 inch or larger. And here is the map showing the probability of a tornado. Of any size. Yes, of any size, or strength or intensity or whatnot. 2% chance on that. Now, we're skipping ahead since it's kind of like tame off and on until day 5, which would be July 18th. Day 5, day 6, and day 7, where apparently, if you read the thing, there's enough agreement. And what is it? The GFS, the ECMWF, and the CMC. This would be what? The US model, the European model, and the Canadian models. there's enough agreement about some kind of trough or something that's going to be coming down. So they've put stuff on the map. Well, this would be July 18th, July 19th, and July 20th, assuming that I can count properly. Not probably, properly. Yes. So if you're in these areas, you should pay attention to that when it starts to come around or whatnot. Yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And then that is it for today. That sounded like too many syllables. And that is it for today. Es todo para hoy. Sí. And I hope you're staying safe out there.